Best fishing reel. Are you looking for the best fishing reel? In this video we will look at some of the best fishing reel on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Okuma Ceymar A. The Okuma Ceymar A stands out as one of the best all-around spinning reels thanks to its smooth operation, durable construction, and wallet-friendly price. Built with a 7+1 ball bearing system, the reel delivers consistently fluid retrieves with minimal friction or wobble, even under load. When a fish is hooked, the multi-disc, oiled felt drag engages smoothly, allowing steady line release without sudden jerks that could snap monofilament or weaken knots. This controlled performance inspires confidence when fighting both small and aggressive fish. At first glance, the Ceymar A immediately impresses with a modern, stylish design that feels more refined than many older reel models. Field tester Chris Maxer noted that while the reel's appearance is eye-catching, its true strength lies in its performance on the water. Once in use, the reel feels solid yet precise, offering a reassuring balance of strength and finesse. Weighing 8.3 ounces with a 5.0 to 1 gear ratio, the Ceymar A is well suited for fishing in streams, lakes, rivers, and from boats. One of the most significant updates in this generation is the switch to TPE handle knobs, replacing the foam knobs that were prone to wearing out over time. This upgrade greatly improves long-term comfort and durability. That said, the reel does run slightly smaller than similarly labeled models and is somewhat heavy for its compact size. While this doesn't negatively affect balance, it may look unusual to some anglers. Competing reels like the Penn Pursuit 4 and Pflueger President perform similarly, but the Ceymar A remains a standout value, making it a reliable choice for most anglers. Number 2. Okuma Aria A. The Okuma Aria A delivers the smoothest drag performance of any budget spinning reel we tested, earning it our top best by recommendation for most anglers. Despite its affordable price, the reel performs impressively where it matters most. Its lightweight graphite frame keeps overall weight down to just 7.7 ounces, making it comfortable to fish for long sessions. While parts of the body do feel somewhat plasticky, this minor drawback is easy to overlook once the reel is under load. According to tester Chris, the Aria A's drag system is the real highlight. He was particularly impressed by its exceptionally low startup inertia and how smoothly it released line when a large trout made a sudden, powerful run. Rather than jerking or sticking, the drag remained controlled and consistent, protecting both the line and knots during the fight. With a 5.0 to 1 gear ratio, the Aria A is versatile enough for use in streams, lakes, rivers, and from boats. However, as expected at this price point, line management is not as refined as reels that cost significantly more. The fast spool oscillation tends to lay line loosely, which can create pockets where monofilament may dig into itself, especially when retrieving at inconsistent tensions. This can reduce casting distance and cause minor frustrations. That said, this issue is common among budget reels and can be greatly reduced by upgrading to a softer, higher quality monofilament or braided line. In fact, during testing, similarly priced reels like the Daiwa Strikeforce performed exceptionally well with braid, even landing multiple sea-run coho salmon. While its drag wasn't as refined, it proved that affordable reels can still handle big fish with confidence. Number 3. Garcia Revo SX. If fishing is more than a casual pastime and truly part of your lifestyle, the Garcia Revo SX is the spinning reel to own. It is, without question, the most solidly constructed reel we tested, and its on-the-water performance fully matches its premium build quality. Every aspect of the Revo SX feels intentional, refined, and engineered for serious anglers who demand reliability and precision. Casting performance is outstanding, thanks in part to the spool's angled lip design, which noticeably improves distance and accuracy. Equally impressive is the slow spool oscillation, which lays line evenly and tightly, resulting in excellent line control and significantly fewer tangles. This near-perfect line lay makes repeated casting smooth and effortless. No matter how the drag was adjusted during testing, it remained consistently smooth and predictable, providing total confidence when fighting fish. field tester Chris immediately noticed the difference. From the first snap of the crisp bail, the reel felt exceptional. The long, slow spool travel was smooth and hypnotic in motion, while the handle felt directly connected to a finely tuned precision instrument. In fact, the reel performed so well that Chris admitted he had to deliberately stop using it in order to give other reels fair testing time. Weighing just 7.6 ounces with a fast 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, the Revo SX is perfectly suited for fishing streams, lakes, rivers, and from boats. The only real downside is its higher price. While the investment may give some anglers pause, its durability, power, and refined performance justify the cost. Budget-friendly options like the Pfluger President offer excellent value, but they simply can't match the raw stopping power and expedition-ready confidence of the Revo SX. Number 4. Daiwa BG2500. When targeting saltwater species, having a reel purpose-built for harsh conditions makes a noticeable difference, and that's exactly where the Daiwa BG2500 excels. Designed with durability in mind, this reel features a rugged aluminum housing paired with a waterproof drag system that consistently performed at the top of its class during weeks of testing from piers, jetties, and boats in saltwater environments. The solid construction inspires confidence when fishing in corrosive conditions, where lesser reels often fall short. The BG2500's drag system delivers impressive power, making it well suited for battling larger, hard-fighting fish. One tester highlighted the drag adjustment dial as a standout feature, noting its well-spaced, tactile clicks that provide clear feedback when fine-tuning settings on the fly. This precision allows anglers to dial in the right amount of pressure quickly and confidently. Comfort and control are equally strong points. The reel's handle features a wide, ergonomic grip that feels secure in hand and provides excellent leverage during long fights. The anti-reverse system is another highlight, engaging instantly the moment it's switched on, eliminating unwanted backplay. Casting performance was also excellent, offering long, accurate casts that proved especially useful when placing lures into tight openings around structure. With a measured weight of 11.7 ounces and a 5.6 to 1 gear ratio, the Daiwa BG2500 is best suited for ocean, pier, jetty, and boat fishing. The only notable drawback is the bail wire, which, while fully functional, feels thinner and less robust than the rest of the reel's premium build. For anglers seeking a cheaper alternative, the Pen Pursuit 4 costs significantly less and offers corrosion resistance, but the BG2500 remains a tough reel to beat for serious saltwater use. Number 5. Daiwa Tatula MQ LT. Tested in the 2500 size, the Daiwa Tatula MQ LT proves to be an outstanding value in the mid-range spinning reel market. With a fast 6.2 to 1 gear ratio, a lightweight 6.7 ounce build, and an 8+1 bearing system, this reel delivers strength, smoothness, and refined performance at a price point of $200. While that may not be inexpensive, it is less than half the cost of premium competitors like the Xenon MGX, yet it still offers impressively similar on-the-water results. What truly sets the Tatula MQ LT apart is its crisp, precision-tuned feel. From the rigid one-piece body to the machined aluminum handle and Daiwa's air-drive rotor and bail system, every component feels light, strong, and purpose-built. The reel inspires confidence the moment you pick it up, with zero flex and a solid, refined operation that feels far more expensive than it is. The effortless bail mechanism is one of its standout features. The bail opens and closes incredibly smoothly, requiring only the slightest turn of the handle to snap shut, something no other reel in our test managed to replicate. This makes repeated casting fast, fluid, and frustration-free. The integrated fill line also simplifies spooling, ensuring consistent line capacity without guesswork. Available in sizes ranging from 1000 to 4000, the Tatula MQ LT covers virtually every bass fishing scenario. While it is slightly heavier than the best overall winner, it compensates with broader size availability and a drag system that is both smooth and impressively strong. With no obvious drawbacks, this reel earns high marks across the board.